Hello, readers. Welcome to Flow Space 101 Reading Flow. Today, we are going to read the Sloppy Copy Slipup, chapters 1-3. In this lesson, we will practice 5 steps. Vocabulary. Read, think, discuss, write. First, we will learn important words from the story. Then we will read chapters 1-3 with a clear reading mission. After reading, we will check the story, think about the character, share our ideas, and write our own sentences. Are you ready to begin? Let's go with the flow. Before we read, let's learn some important vocabulary words. The first word is assignment. An assignment is a school task or homework. The second word is distraction. A distraction is something that takes your attention away. The third word is emergency. An emergency is a sudden serious problem that needs quick help. The fourth word is investigate. To investigate means to look closely and find out more. The fifth word is pretend. To pretend means to act as if something is true. The sixth word is recite. To recite means to say something aloud from memory. Let's say the words together. Assignment, distraction, emergency, investigate, pretend, recite. Great job! Now let's learn 6 more words. The next word is shuffle. To shuffle means to walk by dragging your feet. The next word is excuse. An excuse is a reason used to explain or defend a mistake. The next word is orchestra. An orchestra is a large group of musicians. The next word is ad. An ad is a message that promotes something. The next word is bug. To bug means to annoy or bother someone. The last word is simile. A simile is a comparison using like or as. Let's say the words together. Shuffle, excuse, orchestra, ad, bug, simile. Wonderful. Now we are ready to read. Before we start reading, let's check our reading mission. As you read, try to find 3 important things. First, find the problem. Ask yourself, why is Brian nervous? Second, follow the clues. Ask yourself, what happened with his writing assignment? Third, watch the characters. Ask yourself, who affects Brian during the story? While you read, look for the main character, the problem, important clues, and new vocabulary words. Now let's read chapters 1-3. You can read with your teacher, with a partner, or with your group. Remember, good readers do not only read words. Good readers think while they read. Great reading. Now let's check the story. Talk with your partner first, then share your answer. Question 1. Why is Brian nervous on Monday morning? Question 2. Why did Brian get a 0 last time? Question 3. Why is Brian saving his money? Question 4. Why can't Brian finish his assignment this time? Question 5. Why does Brian think his little brother is annoying? When you answer, try to use a full sentence. You can start with, Brian is nervous because he got a 0 because he is saving his money because. Good readers use story details to explain their answers. Now let's think about Brian as a character. A character is not just a person in the story. We can study the character's feelings, description, behavior, and personality traits. First, let's think about feelings. How does Brian feel in chapters 1-3? You can say, Brian feels nervous because Brian feels worried when. Next, let's think about description. What do we know about Brian? You can say, he is a student. He has an assignment. He looks worried because. Now let's think about behavior. What does Brian do in the story? You can say, he tries to. He often. In the story, he. Finally, let's think about personality traits. What kind of person does Brian seem to be? You can say, he seems worried. He is probably responsible. He shows that he is. Remember to find evidence. Ask yourself, what words or actions from the story show my idea? Now it is discussion time. Let's think deeper and share our own ideas. Question 1. What is the hardest part of writing for you? Explain. You can say, I think the hardest part of writing is because. Question 2. What should you do when you get a difficult assignment? You can say, when I get a difficult assignment, I should... Question 3. Did Brian handle his problem well? Why or why not? You can say, in my opinion, Brian did not handle his problem well because, or, he should have. Remember, there is no only one answer for discussion. The important thing is to explain your idea clearly. Now let's finish with a speaking and writing exit ticket. First, let's speak. Number 1. Brian feels because... Think about Brian's feelings and give a reason. Number 2. The biggest problem in chapters 1-3 is because. Now let's write. Number 1. When I have a hard assignment, I should... Number 2. One important word from this lesson is because. Before you finish, check 3 things. Did you use a full sentence? Did you give a reason? Did you speak clearly? Great job, readers. Today, you learned vocabulary, read chapters 1-3, checked the story, analyzed Brian, discussed your ideas, and wrote your own sentences. Keep reading, keep thinking, and go with the flow. Like and subscribe. One flow a day.